Let's look at this question. The capacity of the tank shown in the figure below is 40 liters. The tank has two inlets, I1 and I2, and two outlets, O1 and O2. If O1 and O2 are closed, I1 and I2 functioning alone can fill the tank in 20 hours and 8 hours respectively. O1 and O2 placed at half level and 1/4 level of the tank respectively can empty the tank at the rates of 2 liter per hour and 1 liter per hour respectively. I1 is opened at 10 am, I2 at 3 pm, and O1 and O2 are always open. If the tank was empty before 10 am, then at what time will the tank be full? Okay, it is a wonderful help for us that the diagram is already drawn. So the capacity of the tank is 40 liters. If O1 and O2 are closed, I1 can fill it in 20 hours, or the rate for I1 is 2 liter per hour, and I2 can fill it in 8 hours. So rate for I2 is 5 liter per hour. Now 1/4 level is, this is 10 liters, 1/4 to half, this is again 10 liters, and then this is 20 liters. I1 is opened at 10 am and I2 at 3 pm. Okay. Now these are critical times when the inlet rate has changed. Let us look, and O2 is emptying it at the rate of 2 liter per hour. This is emptying it at the rate of 1 liter per hour. For the first 10 liters, nothing is going out. So 10 at the rate of 2, it will take me 5 hours. And in these 5 hours, when it is opened at 10 at 3, after 1/4 is filled up, now water will go out at the rate of 1 and will come in at the rate of 7, because both of them would be open now. So 7 minus 1, this 10 would be filled up at the rate of 6. So this will take 1 hour 40 minutes here. Now when we go even further, now O1 will also become in service, and water will come in at the rate of 7, go out at the rate of 3, or these 20 liters will be filled up at the rate of 4, which will take 5 hours. So the total time taken would be 5 hours, 5 hours, and 1 hour 40 minutes. Or total time taken would be 11 hours 40 minutes. So if everything started at 10 am, let's go to 10 pm and 20 minutes behind that. That should be my answer. 20 minutes behind 10 pm is option B, 9:40 pm. It should be the final answer here.